Welcome back to SK Auto World. The 2026 Lexus IS returns with another refresh, showing that this long-running sports sedan still has plenty of life. Rather than launching an all-new generation, Lexus has given the IS a third facelift so loyal fans can continue to enjoy a stylish four-door in the lineup. Pricing hasn't been announced yet, but the updated sedan is expected in showrooms early next year. The front fascia now wears a sharper look thanks to a reshaped grille that stretches upward toward the hood. Trim levels add their own character. The F-Sport gains a new rear spoiler and bold red brake calipers, while the F-Sport design debuts fresh 19-inch aluminum wheels. A new metallic gray paint called Wind joins the palette, and some markets will also offer Neutrino Gray for extra personalization. Inside, technology and materials see meaningful upgrades. A fully digital 12.3-inch driver display pairs with a matching 12.3-inch infotainment screen, replacing the old 8-inch unit. The center stack is tidier, with climate controls lined up neatly and trapezoidal vents for a modern feel. The frustrating touchpad is gone, replaced by straightforward physical buttons and a classic volume knob. Luxury touches include forged bamboo accents on the center console and natural bamboo trim around the start button. F-Sport trims can be ordered with a striking radiant red interior. Convenience features add dual USB-C ports, a wireless charging pad, and a choice of either a 10-speaker Lexus premium audio system or a 17-speaker Mark Levinson upgrade. The big change under the hood is the farewell of the V8-powered IS 500 and its 472 horsepower 5-liter engine.